Have you ever gotten to a working prototype, then realized you're still nowhere near a finished product? A lot of inventors hit that wall, because getting it to work once is one thing, but making it manufacturable is a whole different game. That's why so many launches stall, slip, or fall apart late in the process. You think the hard part is done, but this is where the real work starts. Going from prototype to full-scale manufacturing isn't just technical, it's a process challenge. Now you're dealing with supplier qualification, design lock, tooling, pilot runs, and quality systems that protect your product and your IP. And if you skip one gate, the mistakes get expensive fast. Most failures here don't come from one big surprise on the factory floor. They happen because teams rush or compress the steps meant to catch problems early. A quick CAD tweak might cost hours. That same change after tooling can cost weeks, thousands of dollars, and your launch schedule.
So what does a clean transition look like? It starts with a prototype that's not just impressive on a bench, it's tested in real conditions with production representative materials and used by people who aren't just your friends. Before files go anywhere, your IP paperwork needs to be filed and your unit cost has to make sense at scale, or you'll be forced into bad decisions later. Next is supplier qualification. Not chasing the lowest quote, but proving the manufacturer can hit volume, hold quality, communicate clearly, and respect your IP. Then comes design freeze, a real freeze, because every small tweak after that turns into real time, real money, and real headaches. You need a clean sign-off package, DFM review, locked BOM, production drawings, and everything the factory needs to build it the same way every time. After that, make smart tooling choices. Soft tooling can be great for smaller runs and learning fast. Hard steel tooling usually makes sense only when you're truly scaling. Don't overinvest in tooling for a product that's still unproven. Then run pilot production. This is your dress rehearsal, a small batch on real tooling through the real process. And if your first pass yield isn't at 90% or better, don't scale yet. Finally, quality systems. They're not busy work. They keep consistency, protect margins, enforce IP, and keep the launch on track. That's why at Rabbit Product Design, we handle the path end to end. Our engineers average 27 years of experience, and we know where projects usually slip, so you don't get handoff gaps, missed gates, or avoidable costs. If I were in your position, I'd treat every step like a gate, not a guideline. Because when you rush or skip steps, you pay for it in money, time, and sometimes your shot at launch. If you want to see how we help teams move from prototype to production without the usual surprises, check out the link below. And for more product development and manufacturing advice, subscribe and stick around.